Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and today I'll be making Shilpa Shetty's DIY Lemon Mint Scrub. Let's begin with all the ingredients. You need rock salt, lemon zest, mint leaves and coconut oil. So first I'm going to take my rock salt in a bowl and then I'm going to take my lemon zest and add it to the rock salt. For the second step, I'm going to take the mint leaves that I've crushed and add it to the bowl. I'm going to mix this up a little bit so that everything is perfectly blended together. For the third step, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil into this mixture. Now I'm going to mix this up really well so that it's all blended together. Since I'm done making the scrub, I'm going to take a little jam jar and transfer the scrub into it. And that's it guys, it's super simple and easy to make and you can use this scrub in many ways. I'm just gonna list everything on the screen for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.